Hello guys, welcome back to Simple Living. Today I'm showing you a day of chores, cooking, folding clothes and doing laundry. This first clip does not have music because I can hear the birds chirping and I thought it was a very nice touch to live in. You can see me going back and forth a little bit because I forget to bring the hose with me whenever I bring yesterday's scraps to the chickens, and then I forget to check the chickens' food level to see if we need a refill. And I'm not sure if I show it in this video, but I'm getting 1 egg a day as of right now, which is pretty nice, if I say. Here you can see me stopping for a second because I actually see paw marks on the side of the door, so I was very confused for a second, and then I just assumed it was probably a raccoon trying to get inside at night. I'm trying classical music for the rest of the video. Please let me know what you think about it. I thought it was very relaxing, so hopefully you like it too. In this part, I am just gonna make 2 loaves of bread. I actually mix my dough for a pretty good amount of time. I like to mix them until I see that nothing is sticking to the sides. So from time to time, you'll see me add flour here and there. I usually always go short on flour at the beginning, unless we're talking about the second recipe we'll see later, which I overdo the flouring. So the idea for tonight's dinner was to do tacos, and specifically birria tacos. But how the flour tortillas didn't came turning out, I was so frustrated over them that I forgot everything and anything else. true to my word. This is my first attempt at the tortillas, and now I know what I did wrong. 1, too much flour. 2, do not melt the lard together with the water. Just heat the water and put the lard in the flour. Have them mix, like cutting it like if you were gonna do butter. Even though the recipe said otherwise, it didn't work that way. I decided to start putting up some fall decor. I'm not one to go all out and act like I don't just vomit it into my house. I like putting things here and there, but as you can tell in this video, this tablecloth is eating me up. I could not decide on a way to put it. the second part of my first attempt. I'm trying to roll out the dough, and I realize this one is too stiff. Every time I try to stretch it, it just keeps coming back together. I started looking up the recipe and I decided to give up on this attempt. Try again. This is attempt number 2 at the tortillas, which is also a fail. I mistakenly put baking soda instead of baking powder. I was trying to fry it? I don't exactly know how you will say that. But it came out looking like a pancake. It smelled like pancakes. My husband asked me 5 times if I wasn't sure I was making pancakes, which I got irritated. This is my third and final try. I feel much more confident with the dough. It's pretty soft and moist. One thing I will change, as you see continuing on the video, I take the griddle off and then just use a stainless steel pan, which I think worked much better because it got hot much faster. Now that could have been me. I didn't wait for the griddle to heat for a long enough time. It's cast iron, and cast iron is known to take a while to heat up. But I'm happy it worked out, and now I'm just gonna keep doing it this way for the rest of my life. In case you're wondering why is there a towel on the floor, our dishwasher will leak if I put too much soap in it, which is indeed what I did since I was cleaning the soap containers. Some soap residue was inside, which ended up being too much soap for the dishwasher to handle, and some of the foam was coming out.